discussing dental hygiene for both dogs and cats. Now, when the topic of brushing a dog's teeth comes up, a lot of people laugh because they think it's silly. But I'm going to be explaining to you why it is so important to brush your dog's teeth. Dental disease is the most common disease that affects dogs. But the worst part about it is that it is also the easiest disease to prevent. Dental disease is very serious because not only will it affect your dog's mouth, causing pain and tooth decay, it can also spread systematically, causing heart, kidney, and liver disease. So this means that it can become deadly very quickly. Now, brushing a dog's teeth is going to be more beneficial for some dogs than it is for others. It is beneficial for all dogs to have their teeth brushed, but some dogs are able to maintain clean teeth with hardly any effort, whereas other dogs have a lot of tartar and plaque buildup. So if your dog has a lot of tartar on its teeth, it's going to be a lot more prone to getting dental disease. Everyone should be brushing their dog's teeth, but there are certain breeds such as Chihuahuas, Boxers, or Terriers, or dogs that have an underbite or overbite that are more prone to dental disease. Everyday brushing is what's best, but not everybody brushes their dog's teeth every day. It does come down to how much you want to invest in the health of your dog's teeth. Now, the less often that you brush your dog's teeth, the more often you're going to have to take them to the vet to have cleanings done. And this can get expensive because the dog will need to be taken to the vet and put under anesthesia to have the teeth cleaned. And if there are any teeth that are rotting or loose, they will have to be pulled. So now that you understand why brushing your dog's teeth is so important, I'm going to show you how to do it. Now, you don't want to use a human toothpaste. This is going to make your dog sick and irritate its stomach. So you want to make sure that you use a toothpaste that is meant for dogs. And the one that I like to use is this one. It is the Diamox Toothpaste Gel. Now, the thing that I like most about this gel is that you can either use it when you're brushing your dog's teeth with a toothbrush, or you can just apply it with your finger throughout their gums and mouth, especially for cats that don't drink a lot of water or dogs that are suffering from dry mouth, which I will tell you a little bit about dry mouth in a few minutes. Now, you're also going to need a toothbrush, and for this you can either get a toothbrush meant for dogs at a pet store, or you can just go to get a human toothbrush as long as it is the soft bristle one. And if you have a really small dog or a cat, then you're going to want to get a toothbrush that is meant for a child. Now, you want to use a toothbrush. I don't recommend using the finger brushes that go on your finger. This takes off plaque a lot better than the ones that go on your finger. So definitely try to stick to this and just, work with your dog to try to get them used to this one so that you can use this one all the time, because the finger brush one isn't that great to use. So now that you have your toothpaste and the toothbrush, I'm going to show you how to brush your dog's teeth. So first you want to take your Diamox toothpaste and apply it to the toothbrush, and then just go over all of the teeth and then start brushing in a straight line. And you want to lift their lips so that you can get to the back of the teeth, and also open up their mouth a little bit so that you can get to the bottom teeth. Now, this is easy to do because Caspian is used to it, and he's also used to me handling his head and touching his mouth, but you will need to get your dog used to it. So it's all about training. Depending on the severity of the tartar buildup and the redness of the gums inside your dog or cat's mouth, you may need to take them to a vet to have them cleaned out completely. Because even with brushing, if they are already dirty, they are still prone to dental disease. So you want them cleaned up. Just remember, start brushing them as soon as you get that done. Now, the most common reason that people start brushing their dog's teeth is because of bad breath. But by that time, you already have some problems going on that are causing that bad breath. So the tartar buildup is where the bacteria resides, and that is what causes the dog's bad breath. Now, tartar buildup and dental disease is what can cause a dog to have inadequate saliva, and this results in bad breath. Now, inadequate saliva is one of the symptoms of dry mouth. Now, for these situations with bad breath, what I recommend is to use Diamox Oral Care, and this comes in 2 different containers. One of these can just be applied to your dog's water. You can put some of it in there, or this one, which can be sprayed directly into your dog's mouth. Now, this contains natural enzymes which will inhibit the bacteria that is causing the bad breath. Now, this is not a detergent, and this is meant for dogs and cats, so it's not going to make them sick the way that it would if you use something that is made for humans. Now, this shouldn't be used to replace brushing the dog's teeth with a toothbrush, but it should be used alongside of that, especially for dogs that have dry mouth. Dry mouth is basically when a dog or a cat is not being able to produce a lot of saliva. Now, causes for this is when they are on medications, if they have cancer, if they have diabetes, or even anxiety can cause them to have dry mouth. So you definitely want to use the Diamox products if your pets are experiencing any of that. It's going to help them out a lot and make them a lot more comfortable. I mean, I think we all know what it's like to have dry mouth ourselves when we've been exercising a lot or we're taking medications that dehydrate us. It just doesn't feel good. So you want to make sure that your pets are comfortable. I hope this helps you in caring for your dog's overall well-being. And all of the products that I talked about today can be found at Diamox.com, which will be linked in the description of this video. Don't forget to check out my other dog videos, such as ear cleaning and puppy care, which can all be found on the dogs playlist on my channel. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!